So your lamp switch isn't working? No worries. Let's fix it together. First things first, safety is super important. Unplug that lamp before you do anything else. Seriously, don't skip this step. All right, flip the lamp over and find the switch housing. You'll see a little screw holding it together. Grab a small screwdriver and open it up. Take a look inside. Sometimes it's just a loose wire. Reattach it securely to the terminal. Tighten it snug, not Hulk. If all the wires look good, check the switch itself. Turn the knob, press the button. If it feels stuck, it may be jammed with dust. Clean gently with a dry brush, or use canned air. Still no luck. The mechanism could be broken. They're cheap to replace. Unscrew the old switch. Take it to a hardware store. Grab a matching replacement. Install the new switch. Connect wires to the same terminals. Double-check your work. Close the housing. Screw it back together. Plug it in and test. If it lights up, boom, you did it. If not, check the bulb, or try a different outlet. Swap the bulb or plug into another socket before you give up. That's it. Easier than you think. Thanks for hanging out. Go light up your space.